Morning. Today we'll discuss data transfer or block move. Here to transfer the data from one memory location to another memory locations. Write an assembly language program to transfer 5 bytes of data from memory location 8200 to memory location 8300H. Here to transfer the 5 bytes, first we have to set the counter number of data 5. Suppose 10. We have to set the counter 0A. 100 data to transfer 100 bytes of data from one memory location to another memory location. 100 means we have to fix 64, the corresponding hexadecimal value. Here 5 bytes of data to fix the counter 05 in any one of the 6 general purpose register. Suppose C register, C equal to 05. 8200H, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 5 bytes 8200, 8201, 8203, 2 and 8203 and 8204. Okay, this is for data DD, CC, AA, BB and FF. Now the 5 bytes of data from 8200 now to transfer into 8300. 8200 data to transfer 8300 DD. Next 8201 data to transfer into 8301. Next 8202 data to transfer 8302 address and 8203 data to transfer 8303 address and 8204 address data to transfer 8304 DD, CC, AA, BB and FF. Okay. Here first we have to initialize number of data in C register. Number of data in C register. This is called counter. Next to initialize the source memory address. Source memory address 8200 and destination address 8300. Source address 8200. Destination address 8300H. Okay, first to initialize the 8200 in HL register pair. Address to initialize HL register pair, source address and destination address to initialize in DE register pair. Okay. Now 8200 address in HL register pair and destination address 8300 in DE register pair. First to load the data 8200 address, that data we have to move into accumulator. Now accumulator DD memory data to move accumulator. Which one memory? HL register pair address. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory. Now memory data DD to move A register. Next A register data to move destination address. Here the destination address 8300. Now this address available in DE register pair. So the accumulated data we cannot directly to move the given memory address location. Then how the address will be initialized in DE? We have to indirectly to store accumulated data to this memory address location. For that we have to use STAX RP means here given DE register pair. STAX means store accumulated data indirectly to the given DE register pair address. Now A register DE, okay, DD, that DD data to store DE register. Here the DE register address 8300. Now here DD will be stored. After that data 1 we can transfer from 8200 to 8300. Okay, first data we can transfer. Next to decrement the number of data. Now to decrement the number of data, before that we have to increment the next memory address. Okay, the second data available next memory address. For that we have to increment the memory address. We can use INX H. INX H means it will increment the memory address. Now this is the memory A201. Now this is the memory. Now the memory data we have to move next address 8301 destination address. For that we have to increment the destination address also. Now the destination address available in DE pair. Oh, now we can use INX D. Now the address will be increment 8301 destination. Okay. Now to decrement the number of data. Now C equal to 04. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. No 0 means jump to here memory data to move accumulator. Now memory data to move accumulator. Now accumulator DD. Okay. That DD data we have to indirectly to store the given DE register pair address. Now accumulator DD, sorry CC accumulator indirectly to store the given DE register pair. Now CC data indirectly to store 8301 memory address location. Now CC will be stored. After that again to increment the memory address INX H and increment the INX D. Now address will be increment 82012 to 8202 and here destination address also incremented from 8301 to 8302. Next to decrement the number of data in C register. Now C equal to 03. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. No 0 means again jump to here to move the memory data to accumulator. Now memory 8202 and destination address 8302. Now the memory data to move accumulator. Now this is the memory address in accumulator A data. A data in accumulator. The accumulated data indirectly to store the given DE register pair. Now 8302 to store A data. Okay, after that again increment the address HL 8202 to 8203. Now this is for 03 and increment INXD. Now destination address also increment 8303. Next, to decrement the C register, now C equal to 0 to, and to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again, jump to here, memory data to move accumulator. Now, accumulator BB. Accumulator data BB. Now, the BB data indirectly to store DE register pair. Now, DE register pair address 8303 BB store. Okay. Next, increment. Again, increment the HL register pair content 8203 to 8204. Now, this is for memory address in HL and INXD. Now, the destination address also incremented 8304. Okay. After that, now to decrement the C register, now C equal to 01. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. No 0 means again jump to here. Memory data to move accumulator. Now the memory data FF. Okay. FF data to store indirectly given DE register pair address. Now DE register pair address 04. Okay. Now data will be stored. After increment the memory address from 8204 to 8205. Now this is the address memory 8205 and INXD. Now increment the destination address also. After that decrement C. Now C equal to 00. If C register 00, okay, now to check the 0 flag. Now the 0 flag will be set. If 0 flag set means now all the data transferred from source to destination address and to stop the process. This is the logic for to transfer the data from one memory location to another memory location. For this, we have to write the program. Okay. First, to initialize the number of data in C register. MVI C, 05H. 5 bytes means you have to initialize 05 in C register. Next, to initialize the source address. Source address 8200 in HL register pair. LXI H, 8200H. 8200H. This is for source address. Now this is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory address. Now to initialize the destination address in DE register pair. LXI D, 8300H. LXI D, 8300H. Okay. Now the first data in 8200. Now this is a memory. Okay. Now the memory data to move accumulator. For that we can use MOV A, M. Now the memory data to move accumulator D. Now the DD data in A register. Now the A register data to store 8300 address. Okay, this address available in DE register pair. Address is not directly available. Address will be available in register pair. Okay. Now we have to use indirect store STAX RP. RP means here DE. STAX means store accumulator DD data indirectly in DE register pair address. DE register pair address. Now DD data move or store. Okay, data 1 to transfer from 8200 to 8300. Next, we have to move the second data. The second data available 8201. For that, we have to increment the memory address Now the second data we have to transfer 8301 address. For that here also we have to increment the address. Okay, for that we can use INX H. INX H means the address will be incremented from 8200 to 8201. Now this is the memory. Next, increment the INX D. Now this is also incremented 8300 to 8301. This is for available in DE register bank. Now to decrement the number of data, D, C or C. Now C equal to 01. Sorry, 04. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. No 0 means jump to this memory address location. Move A comma M. Now this is a memory. Memory data again to move accumulator. Now accumulator CC. Okay. Now STAXD means store accumulated data. Accumulated data CC. Indirectly in DE register pair address. DE register pair address 8301. Now to store C data. Okay. After that increment the INX H and increment INX D. Now address will be increment from 8201 to 8202 and INX D also increment 8301 to 8302. Next decrement C equal to 03. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. Move A comma M. The memory data to move accumulator. Now this is the memory. Now memory data AA data to move accumulator and then accumulator data to store the given DE register pair address. Accumulator AA, the address 8302 to store AA data. Next, increment the address HL and DE. Okay, now address will be incremented 82022 to 8303. Okay, now incremented and decrement C equal to 02. Now to check whether it is 0 or no 0, again jump to here to move memory data to accumulator. Now this is memory. Memory data to move accumulator. Now accumulator BB. The BB data to store given DE register pair address. Now address is 8303 to store BB. Next decrement C equal to 01. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. Okay. Now the address will be incremented. Now this is the memory. Now the memory data to move accumulator. Now accumulator FF data to store given DE register pair. Now FF will be stored. After that increment INX H, increment INX D. Now address will be incremented 8205 and this is for 8305 will be incremented. Next decrement C equal to 00. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. 0 means now to stop the process. All the data transferred from 8200 to 8300. This is a program for to transfer the 5 bytes of data from one memory location to another memory location. Suppose to transfer the 10 bytes of data, we have to fix instead of 05, we can use 0A. 0A, the corresponding hexadecimal. Suppose to transfer 100 bytes of data, 100 in decimal and the corresponding hexadecimal value 64. We have to load 64 in C register. Now it will transfer the 100 data from 8200 to 8300 memory address locations. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.